Another issue that you may encounter from time to time is dealing with a protein that's entirely too dilute. So there's not a high enough concentration for you to detect it based on a line of best fit that maybe has a range from 1 microgram per microliter to 10 micrograms per microliter. So on the opposite end of the spectrum, it's entirely possible you might get a very low absorbance. Is there protein in that sample? There absolutely is. And so what we needed to do was use these dilutions, dilution number 1 and dilution number 2 with our known protein samples to determine how low of an absorbance we can get and still be within the linear range. There are some instances where a protein's concentration is entirely too low to determine without precipitating that protein or evaporating some of the solution off of it, or using some other method to determine the protein concentration. But your best bet is to use some sort of mechanism where you have a dilution of a known protein sample to come up with some absorbance values that are kind of on the lower end of the spectrum.